When the world decides to be on the edge, we say not.
Hello, hello. We are back. We are back. I think this time we are back for a more for a kind of a marathon rather than Usain Bolt 100 meter. Since we have recorded last, Biharis are back in conversation. The guy who used to get 120 rupees for as a pocket money is now part of a squad which is worth 120 crores. We'll come to how much he's gonna get paid. But today the intention is to just talk about the IPL auction. So we're going to take it section wise. We have different questions that we have sort of decided upon. The first question that we want to sort of talk about is before the auction happened, there was a set list of retention player that was shared across. Is there any of the retained player that sort of surprised you? Ki, and that surprise can be happening basis the cause, basis the team, basis the performance, and all of those tam jam. Let's talk about the retained player first. Rohan, we'll start with you.
The man.
Yeah, I think Punjab just retained two players because there was an option to retain. I think I think they could have skipped the retention. I think
Money hai.
they retained Shashank Singh and Prabh Simran Singh. I think they could have left the option and
Does IPL
gone
allow
clean.
zero retention?
आई
Just
थिंक
asking.
आई थिंक उस चक्कर में उन्हें भी पता नहीं था लॉ उस
Yeah,
चक्कर में
yeah,
आई
it was more
थिंक
likely FOMO ना हो जाए कहीं.
किसी को तो रिटेन कर लेना और स्क्वाड
Shashank
ही
is
पूरी
still
ना
okay.
हो
Shashank is still okay. I think couple of match winning innings last time. Uh, दो तीन तो खेले थे अच्छे मैच, मतलब हारे थे, एंड तक लेके गया था लड़का यार, मतलब
यार
19
मतलब वो ये कहना चाह रहा है बाकी प्लेयर्स भी थे जो रिटेन हो सकते थे बट हाँ.
हाँ
हाँ
बहुत अच्छे
मतलब
प्लेयर थे ब्रो ऑस्ट्रेलियंस और काफी थे
हाँ
बट
वो थे
और अगर नई टीम बनानी थी तो पूरी नहीं बना लेते मेरे को लग रहा है उन्हें ये ना लग रहा हो कि ये ना हो पैसे लगा के 11 लोग पूरे ना हो
You know, in those hostel days, there used to be this one kid who used to save money across the month. और लास्ट वीक में आता ही मेरे पास सबसे ज्यादा पैसा है. Like Punjab, every time they're entering the IPL auction, they are that kid. I need to have the maximum kitty possible. But yeah, Rohan, sorry.
Yeah, so I think वही है यार I think that was my surprise retention. I don't know if they should have been retained, but anyways,
I think I'll go after Rohan because I was very confused with Prab Simran being retained at 4 crores. That was a very insane number. And the second person I was very surprised with, that's because the hype has been there all along, but I have not seen him play that consistently. Is Shah Rukh Khan for Gujarat Titans. I was like, why? They could have used that money somewhere else. Again, he also got paid 4 crores. So I think two of the most surprising retention for me were these two. Shashank, the only reason is because मेरे को last 19th over तक उसने 3 मैच लेके गए थे. Last time जिता नहीं पाया था, but I think he played really well. So benefit of doubt. But these two are very very surprising. I don't know if Shah Rukh Khan would have gotten this kind of money if he was not retained at the auction for sure. Because it has been a few years now. I don't know. I don't remember the last one good knock that Shah Rukh Khan played in the last 2 years of IPL. I can't recollect it, to be very honest.
Yeah, interestingly, I had Shah Rukh Khan on my list also, so I did a bit of digging कि भाई किस लिए
Hmm.
क्या सोच के
Hmm.
type. Um, so TNPL जो इस बार हुआ था, I think he plays for Kuwait Kings if I'm not wrong.
Okay.
Uh,
हो सकता है.
he ended the TNPL season one. Obviously, Kuwait King ended up reaching the finals.
Hmm.
Other than that, he was also the second highest wicket taker. Interestingly, we have not seen
I have never seen him bowl. Wow.
Shah
Okay.
Rukh Khan bowl in the IPL that much.
Okay.
And he was the 11th highest run scorer. But having said that,
11th
Navdeep,
highest.
11th
Okay.
highest, which is not bad for someone who's coming down 5 down, 6 down, while being a captain.
Okay.
लाइक इंडियन प्लेयर्स आज के दिन में अगर कैप्टन बने तो वो ओपन करना चाहेंगे बट हिम बीइंग अ कैप्टन आल्सो ही स्टार्टेड एट 6-7 पोजीशन इज व्हाट ही वाज बैटिंग अप ऑन. Having said that, I still don't think he should have been retained. Whatever be the case,
After all the context setting,
no, I'm
that's
still
lovely.
because unfortunately, whatever the influence be
Hmm.
of all the TNPL and the UP League and the Delhi League that's been starting, IPL is a different ball game altogether. And unfortunately, I think every player who gets retained, other than domestic cricket, I don't think we should be judging on other leagues and everything. And Shahrukh has not had a good couple of season in IPL, whichever team he has ended up playing with. But Chaudhary,
Yeah, मेरा आंसर भी शशांक है. I think he seems to be the theme of the day, evening, night, whatever it is, right? Um, Primarily, if I'm not wrong, this was the guy who was mistakenly picked by
exactly.
Punjab last year. And it's like that arranged marriage की यार करने का मन था नहीं, अब हो गई है तो निभानी है, अच्छे से निभानी है. So and to be fair to him, I think he's done really well last year. He's taken up the opportunity जब उसको by accident मिली, and well done to him, man.
No,
Really well done.
not only Shashank. I think other than Prabh Simran, I think if they could have retained, I think they should have gone ahead and retained the Ashutosh. Because Ashutosh had a
100%.
brilliant kind of a
Of
lower
course,
middle order
of course.
finisher वाला रोल उसका मतलब मजाक नहीं मतलब मचाया हुआ था भाई ने.
Yeah.
So I think for me, my point of view of choosing Shashank was कि भाई कोई नहीं ले रहा था, मेरे को गलती से select कर लिया. I have proven myself and I've gotten myself a 4 crore का ticket size. I'm sorted.
No, and it's been a beautiful journey, right? I mean, last year by mistake, this saal he's made sure his team has picked him and retained him, which is good.
For sure. One player that I wanted to just quickly mention, which was a sense of more of an emotional kind of thing, was Bumrah not being retained, but Bumrah being retained while getting paid more than most of the batsmen that are there part of the Mumbai Indian squad,
Yeah.
including Sky, including Rohit Sharma, including Captain Hardik Pandya, including Tilak Verma. Obviously, Tilak is still new to the system. And the reason I'm saying this about batsmen is no offense against any of these batsmen, but T20 in general is considered to be a batsman first game. With that thought in mind, getting a fast bowler paid most amount of money who might not be the captain is a massive kudos point to Mumbai Indian for whatever it makes sense. Interestingly, what I saw was out of the 36 players that were retained, there were only 5 or 6 of them were the fast bowlers. So this also shows कि 30 of them or 25 odd of them, because if I add another 4-5 spinners to the rest of the 20 are क्रिकेटर्स. हो सकता है 50% जो होंगे उस 20 में से सनराइजर हैदराबाद के बैट्समैन हैं जो 280 मारने वाले. सो बूम मुंबई इंडियन कुडोस. ऑनेस्टली इट मेड लॉट ऑफ सेंस. देयर वाज
I only believe in Jassi bhai.
I think we are very lucky, honestly. Every
As
time
DSP Siraj says it here.
I think we are very lucky to be sort of having someone like a Jasprit Bumrah in the squad, man. मतलब, it sort of makes sense. Everything
Yeah,
sort of
Mumbai
makes
Indians
sense when he's
has
good.
3 captains: Hardik, Bumrah, Rohit Sharma.
And actually, Trent Bolt has never captained, no?
No. He must have captained 1-2 matches. पक्का. हमसे तो नहीं रहेगा.
Bhai,
Has
Mumbai Indians.
Boom ever captained
अरे
Mumbai Indians?
Sky has captained India now, so 4 captain हो गए.
Correct.
Has Boom ever captained Mumbai Indians?
Not sure.
रोहित नहीं छोड़ता यार मैच.
Okay, moving on to the second section. It was a 2-day festival that happened at Jeddah. I've heard the next auction will be happening in Canada. But no, I'm just kidding.
No.
Because
Bhai,
keep in mind, we are
yeah.
going far away from India. I think
Like that. They're just promoting cricket, yeah.
that should be the next place. Who do you think was the most surprising buy for you? Chaudhary, will start with you.
यार thank you, because I think इसमें एक common answer आने वाला था, so it helps to start first here, right?
Yes.
Thank you. वरना मेरे को पता सब लोग वही बोलेंगे, वही ऐड करना पड़ेगा, so thank you. Guys,
Yay.
it's on you now, but I think the answer for me was Venkatesh Iyer, man. I like, all due respect, with all due respect, and I was listening to Harsha Bogli earlier today. He was the impact sub mostly last year.
Yeah.
Now Calcutta has paid 23 CR for him, probably in search of a captain, where they already have a great captain who broke Gaba Ghamand in their squad, Ajinkya Rahane, who of course captain नहीं करेगा, but 23 crore रुपए for Venkatesh Iyer was a big surprise for me.
I think it also came from the point of when he popped up into the auction. Also, it came from the point of, are there more batsmen left that they could pick up? I don't think if they're paying 23 crores to Venkatesh Iyer, Shreyas Iyer got sold for 26 crores. I think missing out on Shreyas Iyer was also a resultant to Venkatesh getting paid more. But yeah, I think he was at 2 crore if I'm not wrong.
2 crore base.
And ending at a 23 crore is a massive.
I don't think
massive-
KKR is in question, no?
Sorry.
Other than Venkatesh Iyer, now KKR doesn't have an option for a captain, no, in their team.
Yeah, almost everyone across the media is saying that he's going to be the captain. But in all honesty, if you see the lineup, I don't see them having any captain.
Yeah,
Rinku?
the other one is
KKR.
Rinku's. I think Rinku's been vice captain or something, but I think Decock कर सकता है, but not. I think he might be a better option than Venkatesh Iyer, but I don't know.
I would honestly make Jinx the captain. I don't know.
I
Might
No,
as
you
well
play
do
not.
I
that.
believe
Actually.
in Jinx. I have always believed. I would be
Yeah.
happy.
Okay. Sudeep, over to
I
you.
think I'll not talk about the steal because I think it's very clear of that Venkatesh Iyer. I was very surprised with I think two deals made me I was very surprised with two deals that happened. Which was one was Sam Curran to Chennai at 2.40 crores. I was like, bro, that's like boss, that's like a cheap deal for sure. And the next one, which was very surprised, I was hoping that he will make big money, is Washi. Sundar got sold to Titans at 3.20 crores. I think both are,
Good deal.
yeah, very good deal. I think both are solid players.
Yeah, in case of Sundar, it is a beautiful deal.
Yeah. I think the team needed.
Ati Sundar.
Yeah, it's a Ati Sundar deal. I think for me, these two were the steals. I think whoever got this done, supremely well done. And I'm very
But
surprised that why didn't other teams go for them? I'm very, especially Delhi.
No, I think this on Sundar, consistent bowler, solid bat, but I think he's not the big hitter you want looking for, right? Even if you peg him against Jadeja is still a big hitter, right? सुंदर का प्रॉब्लम है कि लंबे
Correct.
क्रीज नहीं मार
So
सकता.
I was the reason why I was very surprised is that RCB does not have good quality spin lineup. Right, and even Delhi for that matter, if I'm not wrong, if my memory jogs well, I was very surprised कि सुंदर के पीछे लोग क्यों नहीं गए. Sam Curran, I understand maybe form would have been a conversation, and he has not played for a while. Okay, in the last IPL, he did not do well, is what I know of. But Sundar, I was very
Could
surprised people not going
be
up.
could be a reflection of India-US relations when Washington.
Wow,
Makes sense.
wow.
Makes sense. Makes depth of a sense right now. But if I'm not wrong, Washington did not have a great IPL season last time around, and I don't think it's his fault. In all honesty, I don't think it's his fault. When the batting team is scoring 280 runs, bowler को कोई भाव नहीं दे रहा होता है. But
Yeah, but
मेरे
I
हिसाब
think
से
anyways T20s aren't big on off spin anyways. Off spinners,
that's also true.
off spinners पिटते हैं. Plus he's an off spinner with lesser variations, lesser spin, so there is not much he can play with. So I don't think anyways वो 4 over डालेगा.
Yeah, मतलब Sam Curran, I was just checking stats. Last 2 years, he has been paid 18.50 crore each. This year is 2.40. That's quite a deal.
यार another steal I feel is Kodzi है यार उसने he's
that-
bowled so
actually.
well and he's I think sold for 2 CR or something वो तो solid deal है. I think another surprise for me was I don't know यार till when you spend money on Jofra Archer and till when you wait कब injure होगा कब वापस जाएंगे English, so I don't know.
यार प्रॉब्लम जोफ्रा आर्चर और जिस टीम में वो गया है ना, एक और है. If Rajasthan Royal lose Jofra Archer, there is no backup fast bowler that they have in the squad.
Yeah.
उनकी वाट है, मतलब वो
Yeah.
बबल रैप करके रखेंगे जोफ्रा
Their
आर्चर को.
bench
ऐसे
strength is very bad.
Yeah.
Huh? Very bad.
No, they have that Afghan bowler, no? What's his name? Faruqi. But
Faruqi?
Jofra.
उसने अच्छा
Faruqi
किया.
is there.
Faruqi is
Sandeep
there,
Sharma
but
is
I'm just saying, when you paid how much did they paid Archer? They paid 12.5 crores.
Yeah.
I'm saying heavy dependence happening. So keeping that in mind, it sort of was whoa. Yeah, another one again. I don't know if it came. See, I'm happy for what he's gotten paid. I'm happy being an Indian fan that he's gotten paid that much amount of money. But again, it felt like a more of a knee jerk reaction to sort of have an Indian player there. Jitesh Sharma going from a 1 crore base price to an 11 crore base price is massive for the man. For sure, it's massive.
Yeah.
But if I'm not wrong, for a player who's not played Ranji also this season, getting paid that kind of money because of injury he was missing from Vidarb's team, it is a huge uptick for him to get paid that kind of money. But on talking about Steel, one player I feel I don't know why he got underpaid or why people don't want to look, and I think it's an upgrade from Natarajan that Sunriser Hyderabad has done is by picking Harshal Patel. Uh, a guy is easily top 20 ever IPL bowler that has played in the tournament. The guy has was the leading wicket taker last time around. So going from a mere 2 crore to 8 crore for Sunriser Hyderabad, I think it's a massive steal for Hyderabad. While whatever I've read and heard, people are saying that it's a downgrade or it's not same bowling attack as last time around. But with Shami and Harshal Patel, I think Sunriser Hyderabad
Solid.
is sorted and add a Pat Cummins to it. So, but
उसको
I think
रिटेन क्यों नहीं किया था यार? उनके पास बॉलर्स वैसे ही नहीं होते.
so. But from going from 8 crores पे तो मतलब massive steal for me. Chaudhary, you want to pick up your steal list?
Yeah, I had a few. I think Marco Jansen. I know he went for 7 CR. Last year price is ज़्यादा. But I think 7 CR is less of Marco Jansen, man. If you ask me, I think you will not call him exactly a steal, but I think it's a good buy. If you ask me.
Yeah, Jansen is according to me, basketball में एक category of player होता है, hot and cold. When they catch fire, they keep on striking. But if they are having a cold season, they can't like reach the ring kind of.
Destroyed Sri Lanka the other day.
हाँ, but Jansen according to me and IPL में जितना भी देखा है, he has got his phases where he's like massively good. पर जब जब नहीं चलता है ना भाई तो कुछ भी नहीं कर
But
सकते
he
उस type
can
वाला scene.
reach the ring on all days for sure.
He can reach the ring on all days. That's what I mean. The depth of the joke, man, we're killing it.
I
Next,
think Jansen, Mitch Marsh. I don't know what the bowling situation is, but Mitch Marsh, 3 crore.
Yeah.
Markram, man. Markram again, I think went for the base price, if I'm not wrong. Base
Markram
price
तो
था यार, I
रिटेन
don't
हुआ
know.
है?
नहीं
Retain हुआ?
नहीं
Markram has been bought by LSG.
No,
नहीं,
हाँ,
एडन
Markram
मार्करम
was
इज सनराइजर्स.
no no
no,
no
no,
he's
he's
not
gone to
ready.
DC.
LSG.
He's moved on.
He's moved to LSG, if I'm not wrong, bro.
LSG ना.
नहीं नहीं, वो सनराइजर्स में ही है एडन मार्करम.
नहीं नहीं विक्रम को रिटेन नहीं किया है, रोहन.
ओह.
Bro, yeah. And I think Glenn Phillips, 2
Yes.
crore GT, big steal, if you ask me, right?
Only for his fielding, I'll pay that money, boss.
Go full Jaunty Roads feel came
Dude,
by
but
that
it's
catch, man. I'm telling
insane,
you.
insane. That last, that last
गली
week
वाला
catch,
ना?
last week
गली.
catch. Yeah,
गली
Yeah,
वाला.
yeah.
yeah.
And I think, matlab, I know Duplessis is in the fag end of his career, but even him at his base price, bro. DC.
Yeah.
have done
Yeah, I
good.
Good
agree.
value.
I agree.
आई थिंक
Cash
एक साल
any
के
day.
लिए उसको कैप्टन बना सकते हैं.
मैं वही
Yeah.
बोलने वाला था कि
Yeah.
आराम से उसको कैप्टन बना के अभी रख सकते हो.
KL can keep wickets.
So
KL
LSG have managed a few good steals. Gujarat is like they have to
Yeah.
because it's Gujarat, right? They have to optimize. And yeah, I think these two have done really, really, really well.
You guys don't think KL Rahul is a steal at a 14.5 crore?
Yeah, I honestly feel that because of all the kind of form that he has been going through, I think people were not willing to bet at that much amount of money. Is what I feel. My gut says. But is it a good buy? Is it a good buy at 14? 100% yes.
Yeah, because I'm also coming from the point out of the 10 team that went into the auction, I was just checking out of the retained players list, only 5 of them had a captain set. Rest of the 5 were still looking for a captain. With keeping that in mind, 14.5 crore, according to me, would be a steal.
Yeah, yeah.
मेरी भविष्यवाणी ये है कि KL Rahul will make this look like a steal at the end of this season. I have a very strong feeling.
यार
You know the way he batted. Sorry, just like going a little. The way he batted last Test match, beautiful. Loved it.
आज भी 50 मारी है उसने.
आज
आज भी
आज भी
50
50
मारी
मारी है. आज के
Yeah,
मैच
but I feel उसमें he lacks something, man. What he's performed. He's been highest scorer for Kings 11. Kings 11 कहीं नहीं पहुंची थी. I think there is also a personality where you lift the team and take it forward to victories. I think वो अपने run he can do well, But pulling the team together, I think he's had enough time in Punjab. He's had enough time in LSG. I think that ability to lift the whole team towards victories is missing. He might turn out to be good. He might score his 600-700 runs this year, but I think that is what is lacking.
Which also brings back to the thing. Then in that case, DC is actually thinking of maybe picking a Fab Duplessis as a
Yeah,
captain. That's
I
also a
think so.
possibility.
Yeah,
I think
and you can let KL settle in 1 or 2 years into the
yeah
team.
into the team.
मैं
But
देखो
I have really good
पंडित को
feelings about KL for the next 2 years. I don't know why. My gut says so.
about to say this.
Yeah.
हाँ मैं और सुदीप जो थोड़े पंडित किस्म मिजाज के लोग हैं I have a feeling कि
Yeah.
it's going to be KLGR man. I have a very strong feeling.
Yeah, I have another player. I don't know, but I don't know if it's going to make sense or not. But I think Stoinis going at 11 crore is also a good price for that man. Keeping in mind he can bat, he can bowl, can actually start opening for them also.
That's
Yeah,
a very interesting option if he can open. Huh? That's a
Yeah,
lovely
मतलब
slot for him.
यार मैं टीम देख रहा था. आई डोंट थिंक उनके पास कोई और ओपनर है इसके अलावा. उनका प्रॉब्लम ये है कि दे माइट हैव टू ओपन विद स्टोइनिस.
yes, Stoinis somehow I don't know because Stoinis Australia jersey, Stoinis IPL jersey is I think actually very true for a lot of Australian players. यार उनका I don't know completely switched on आते हैं. I don't remember seeing an Aussie take the IPL by himself.
Haydos, only Haydos man. None after that.
मैथ्यू हेडन.
Haydos. Yeah.
Mongoose bat. Who can forget?
यार
Mongoose
ये कौन
bat.
सी
Chinnaswamy.
Doug Bollinger used to play for which country?
New Zealand.
Australia.
Australia, हाँ, yeah.
I remember सुरेश है ना बाल खींच रहा था उसका.
CSK.
उसने कहा अभी लगवाए हैं भाई.
यार इससे ऑस्ट्रेलियन बैटिंग से याद है because we are talking about KL. I was watching this highlights of Prime Minister 11 का match today and I saw this guy Constas bat today. Boss.
जिसने 100 मारा है.
बेल्ट प्लेयर मतलब वो चाबुक प्लेयर नहीं बोलते वैसा. जस्ट वॉच इट फॉर लाइक 5 मिनट्स विल सी ब्रो. आकाशदीप को इतने रिवर्स स्वीप पे छक्के मारे ना उसने. तो इनसेन. मजा आ गया उसका बैटिंग देख के. लव्ड इट. आई डोंट नो व्हाई ही इज नॉट देयर इन द IPL ऑप्शन.
Any of the young cricketers that we are looking forward to. The rule that we had set for young cricketer was under 21. So
I have only one name.
unfortunately
भाई
Shahid
ये
Afridi
सवाल
can't be
पड़
part of the conversation.
He can be. You are mistaken. I'm sorry. You know, one player I am very excited about is Mushir Khan, brother of Sarfaraz. I saw him bat a little. Yesterday, I think I was watching him bat. Bro, बहुत सही खेलता. I think he is one player I'm very very excited to watch this IPL on where he goes. For sure.
सुदीप ऑनेस्टली बोलूं अगर नेहल वधेरा को इतना पैसा नहीं दिया होता ना पंजाब ने तो पक्का खेल रहा होता क्योंकि और कोई है नहीं उस स्क्वाड
Yeah, yeah.
उस पोजीशन में खेलने के
Yeah.
लिए. So Mushir could have been very good and I might not be yeah, you know the first 2-3 matches when people are experimenting and everything, all of those things that happen. If Mushir gets that opportunity and he ends up sort of capitalizing on
I
it, it
think
might
he
be
will
quite interesting.
get a chance for sure. I don't know if he's coming in the starting 11, but 2-3 matches later he should come in. और लड़का खेलता बहुत सही है. I saw him bat. Especially I know India में कोई swing नहीं करेगा, but especially some balls which were swinging, he was just walking down and defending, bro. It was insane. बहुत मजा आया उसका बैटिंग देख के मेरे को कल. I saw a couple of his innings. Very very nice. Very excited to see him.
Rohan,
That remind me, why didn't Sarfaraz Khan get selected, boss?
I don't know why Shardul Thakur could
That was true. I'm sorry. Yeah,
I
Shardul
think
Thakur.
शार्दुन केन विलियमसन कहीं ना कहीं रिप्लेस हो जाएंगे. They'll come
मेरे
in.
को वही लग रहा है कहीं ना कहीं आ जाएंगे but I'm just surprised.
Yeah.
Our favorite Karan Sharma has got a contract. So
Yeah, I think he'll play also.
Yeah,
Yeah,
of
he might
course.
play.
RCB.
Leggy, as you said, Rohan, Leggy is unfortunately more valued than the office.
Yeah.
It's as simple as that.
In the RCB stadium, Karan Sharma is very valuable, must say.
So,
very valuable.
keeping that in
उस
mind.
उस स्टेडियम
Rohan, you're a young
उस
player.
स्टेडियम में किसी बॉलर की वैल्यू नहीं है. यार आई थिंक
सिराज
आई
बोल रहा होगा अच्छा है भाई छोड़ दिया जा रहे हैं बहुत खा लिया हम नहीं खा सकते
don't
और
know age wise अभी वो young है कि नहीं and he's had a good IPL last year but I think Abhishek Sharma only man अगर if he can perform I think this is
Yeah.
his year to graduate if he can.
Hmm. Good. Yeah. Exciting player.
I will take the liberty of checking if he is valid or not.
Yes please.
So
But
he's
मेरे
not
पास
valid. He's not 21.
He is not valid 24.
Yeah. He just
Oh.
turned 24. Birthday था उसका.
But for sake of Abhishek Sharma and for sake of the man Rohan, we will consider Abhishek Sharma. Chaudhary,
यार ये क्वेश्चन आउट ऑफ सिलेबस है क्या बाय द वे? मैंने देखा नहीं था
नहीं
ऐसा।
नहीं ये था हाँ ये डिस्कशन
Bracket
ये हिडन था. तुमको ढूंढना था वो 21 वाला
चार
एज.
पांच लाइनों में है.
कोई नहीं, मैंने गूगल कर लिया, सो इट्स गुड। आई थिंक यार दो अफगानी स्पिनर्स हैं, नूर अहमद।
Yeah.
Oh,
do you
nice.
think Noor should have gotten paid 10th here?
यार वो हाँ, आई थिंक
He's not had a good IPL last season because I wanted.
चेन्नई पिचेस कितने जितने भी गेम्स होंगे वहां पे, आई थिंक ही इज अ गुड बाय।
भाई भाई संभाल लेंगे.
CSK का प्रॉब्लम क्या है पता है? जिसको सबसे ज्यादा पैसा देते हैं ना, हो सकता है उसको नहीं खिलाए। ये भी करते हैं वो फ्रेंचाइज ऐसा कर सकता है, मैं बता रहा हूँ तेरे को।
नहीं बट आई
नहीं, but
ऑलमोस्ट
वहाँ
फील
तीन
कि
स्पिनर
चेन्नई
खेलेंगे
खेलेगा
ना.
वो,
अब
पक्का खेलेगा।
चेन्नई में हाँ.
जड्डू, अश्विन और नूर खेलेंगे.
Okay,
और एक
so
और अफगानी है यार, इसका नाम थोड़ा टफ है।
जो गुरफजा द 18-year-old जो है एक।
हाँ यार बहुत टफ नाम है उसका, बट इट्स गुड टू सी। क्या नाम है वो? गजनफर
हाँ,
अल्लाह
गजनफर,
गजनफर।
हाँ।
सो लेट्स सी हाउ दिस गाइस
अभी
गो।
रिसेंटली किसी T20 में 6 विकेट भी लिए भाई ने। तो
बट अच्छा है
यार,
यार, उनको
I
अच्छे
had
पैसे मिल रहे
couple of option that I had chosen. There is this Jharkhand opening batsman going closer to the home. Goes by the name of Robin Mins. Poor guy got selected last time around also, but had a bike accident. Unfortunately, wasn't part of the IPL.
Hmm.
Rarely rated highly. Again, seeing the probable permutation combination, I might not be too surprised that he might open also for GT on the overall thing. Another guy who was playing in the Asia Cup, tall Gungrale ball. I think it's a CSK requirement now to have those curly hairs. Rachin Ravindran, Ravindra Jadeja, and add Andre Siddhartha also to it. लॉन्ग हैंडल, लंबे शॉट मारने वाला प्लेयर, मतलब उठा के, मतलब ही प्लेड सम 10-15 बॉल पर बहुत प्यारा खेला अभी जो पाकिस्तान के अगेंस्ट मैच था,
कल का.
जो कल वाला जो था।
ना
हार गए ना?
ना अब सडनली या.
सॉरी,
वी लॉस्ट दैट राइट।
we lost by 43 runs. But seemed like a sweet hitter of the ball. Coming to the person that we started the podcast with, a 13-year-old Vaibhav Suryavanshi has gotten paid 1.1 crore by Rajasthan Royal. If there are two teams that I would have wished for a 13-year-old to be at, it would be Rajasthan Royal and Chennai Super Kings. But डैम, मतलब इमेजिन करो 13 साल की उम्र में 1.1 करोड़ का चेक मिल रहा है।
You know, with all these conversations happening around him, the fact is that because Rahul Dravid is part of the think tank, I don't want to question what he thought when he was buying. I'm sure he must have seen something, and so there is no question. Like there is nothing in my mind of rules, nothing. I said Dravid गलत नहीं हो सकता सर उसने.
जैमी वुड हैव बीन, मैंने दिया ना जयसवाल,
Correct. So
मैं देगा तेरे को एक
correct.
और।
I think that is where I'll end the conversation. Dravid sir थे, पिंक शर्ट पहन के बैठे, बोले सूर्यवंशी चाहिए मुझे 1.1 में. So no questions asked. Great buy. He got out for one yesterday, but that's fine. No problem. We'll take it.
यार, for the bare minimum audience that we have as things stands, please let the boy be.
Like, you know, worst case scenario, it's a good stipend for him.
Whatever I'm saying, please let the boy be. Let him grow. Let him sort of find his space. Let him sort of. I would honestly request his father also to just take a back seat, because all across the Delhi radio right now, it is just his father who's been speaking on the right notes and everything. But I think this is the
Oh my
time where you
God.
just let it be. So, but
They can
to
they
the
can closely see an example very close by for
yeah,
them to be
but
careful about.
for a Bihari man, a Samastipur boy doing getting paid 1.1 crore,
No, that's great.
Bihari for the win, guys. But yeah, I think. But talking about the young cricketers, so NBA normally has a rule. All the youngsters who are coming out of the college, they might be 22-year, 23-year old, but all those who have completed bare minimum 1 year in the college, they can be part of the NBA draft. The rule is very simple. The team that has the worst win record in the regular season from the past season gets to pick the player first, and so on and so forth. Do you think it sort of makes sense? And obviously there's restriction attached to every rookie player that gets signed by any basketball players. Do you think it sort of makes sense for all under 19 or any age group, under 21, under 22, who are uncapped kind of a thing, but with an age bracket, to sort of start having this draft system to the IPL format also?
Act-
Yeah, I think it'll make sense. There is also a need to, I think, democratize the IPL in a way on skill overall. So, and I think and this has already become a feeder tournament
True,
to national teams across. I think, if
true.
not just India, but across teams, it's become a feeder tournament, and it makes sense for a feeder tournament to have a structure of bringing younger people in, and to have that. So I think makes sense उसका exact क्या structure बनता है, how it can be, but there should be a structure, and it's not a bad structure to let teams pick. uh, I don't know if drafts go for money. I don't think that if teams are picking, then anyways there is no auction.
No, so
uh
there's no auction, but there rookie contract that gets signed. So, for example,
huh.
a rookie
and
first year gets paid this month, second year gets paid this month, third
And
year
yeah, I
gets.
think what discussion we are also having for Vaibhav Suryavanshi this time is around him getting 1.1. Nobody is talking उसने किया क्या है, उसने रन कितने मारे हैं, उसका करियर क्या रहा है. For whatever said and done, for a 13-year-old to be picked in a under 19 squad for India is a big thing.
Massive.
सो अंडर 19 के बाकी लोगों को तो हम क्वेश्चन नहीं कर रहे, बट उसकी एज की वजह से 1.1 करोड़ इज बिकमिंग बिग. अंडर 19 बाकी प्लेयर्स को 1 करोड़ से ज्यादा मिला है.
Yep.
So that ways, I think removing money from that kind under 19 might not be a bad option for
True,
cricket
true.
overall. क्या यार, पैसा
And,
हटा दो.
and
It
it
is
and it reduces the pressure on these cricketer also ना यार, कि अब
हाँ.
क्या क्या जान ले लोगे अगर 1.1 करोड़ मिल गया है मेरे को तो.
Yeah, and it also becomes a training ground for these cricketers where like always it's, I think, known also that, for example, teams like Rajasthan Royals, CSK have good training. They have good feeder tournaments into the franchise. They have under 17 CSK, or they have structures behind. So some players might want to get into those kind of franchises, and not a Bombay or a RCB that way. So I think overall for the game, it'll be better.
True, true. Um,
Agree. I think, but
Fine.
I
only
have
but my only
no, I
only point in
Chaudhary.
this was, हाँ sorry, go Chaudhary, go for it.
नहीं यार, मेरे को दो तीन पॉइंट थे. एक तो ये पिक के बाद, आई डोंट नो इफ यू सीन दैट एपिक बॉलीवुड मूवी कॉल्ड चैन गुली की मैन गुली,
Yeah,
जिसमें
magic bat.
दैट
Rahul Bose.
मैजिक
Yeah, bro.
एग्जैक्टली, जिसमें वो पता
You
नहीं
do this.
600 रन मारा था क्या. एग्जैक्टली. सो ब्रिंग्स बैक मेमोरीज ऑफ दोस.
I don't know
आई
मेरे को वो
आई
का
अभी
branding क्यों याद आ रहा है यार. It's so irritating. Sorry. Yeah.
प्रवोक अभी है मार्केट में कि
है but मुझे
खत्म
उसका
हो गया.
branding याद आ रहा है. I don't know why जैन कुली की मैन कुली के साथ. Ridiculous.
Exactly, you're right. But whatever Rohan said is all logical. But यार, I don't want this to happen, to be very honest. दो तीन कारण है सिंपल. एक तो यार आईपीएल ना बहुत परफेक्ट हो गया. आई वांट अदर स्पोर्ट्स टू कम अप. मैं देखता नहीं हूँ, बट आई वांट अदर स्पोर्ट्स टू कम अप. लेट्स नॉट मेक इट अ behemoth. Secondly, knowing India and knowing Indian parents, and I know we have a next generation parent amongst us right now sitting. यार पेरेंट्स ना आईआईटी जेई बना देंगे भाई, इसको बोलेंगे बेटा ऐसा है कि उसका बेटा सिलेक्ट हो गया, तुम क्यों नहीं हुए. इट विल बी सो मच मेंटल प्रेशर क्राउडिंग एट सच अ यंग एज, राइट? स्पेशली इन अ कंट्री वेयर इट्स हर्ड मेंटालिटी.
बट ब्रो वो
तो
तो
अच्छी
पैसों के
बात है
साथ भी हो रहा है ना.
यार पर मैं
यार, पर वो at least,
चौधरी फिर वो भी तो हो सकता है ना पॉसिबिलिटी की यार, देन मे बी बीसीसीआई और गवर्निंग बॉडीज स्टार्ट इन्वेस्टिंग इनफ मनी इनटू द कॉलेज एंड द स्कूल सिस्टम आल्सो कि यार लेट आवर स्टेट्स आल्सो बी रिप्रेजेंटेड इन रिस्पेक्टिव आईपीएल फ्रेंचाइजेस.
यार अब मतलब मैंने इतना एनालाइज नहीं किया है, मेरे को लगता है मत करो यार, जो चल रहा है चल लूंगा यार. यार छठी क्लास से बच्चों को लगना स्टार्ट कर दो यार, मजाक हो रहा है.
that is not broken.
Exactly.
But I think this is an eventuality for sure. It's not going to happen now. I think once the tournament, I think 5-7 years down the line, actually 5 years down the line, I see this happening. Inevitable for sure. Going to happen.
I love how every podcast Sudeep sort of commits 10 साल बाद ये होगा,
नहीं,
5
मैं
साल बाद ये
I
हो
still
जाएगा,
commit to
6
my
साल बाद ये
Olympics.
होगा.
I still commit to my Olympics dream target.
I haven't.
And I'm very,
I'm
very
making
clear.
notes
कितना
of
कहा था?
it.
हाँ,
And
what was the weight,
I'm
Sudeep?
very, very clear about it. That
36.
I will take you for a cruise, bro. So
कितने 50 मिनट?
yeah, 50 medal 2034 is what I told, right? 34. Yeah.
So something like
Yeah.
that.
तू
34.
पैसे इकट्ठे कर ले ब्रो क्रूज के.
भाई अभी से बुक कर ले, सस्ती
Don't
पड़ेगी.
worry, bro. I will not. I'm very, very confident. I don't know why I'm very confident, but I'm very confident. But it's okay.
एक कश्ती में.
Yeah, I'll take it, bro. Come to Singapore.
Okay, moving on. Any of the buys that you're genuinely excited about and looking forward to for the next season, for whatever
Well,
reason?
I'll tell you. So I'm actually excited about three things. This
Okay.
IPL. Two players.
3 things or 3 players?
Things.
There are
people.
two players,
Things.
okay, which I'm looking forward to because I honestly feel that it's their year to with the point to prove, and they are going to next level. They're going to be in next क्या बोलते हैं, अलग लेवल पे चले जाएंगे. आई एम वेरी वेरी गुड अबाउट इट.
उनकी कुंडली में लिखा
दिख
हुआ
रहा है,
है.
मुझे दिख रहा है. But most excited I don't know why. I'm waiting for
अजिंक्य रहाणे.
No. 1 second. Siraj bowling to Virat Kohli at Chinnaswamy. I just want that moment.
And what do you think is the outcome of
Yeah,
it?
I think outside edge first slip.
Okay, that's one.
Okay. Second
ब्रो
is
आईपीएल में उसकी बॉल भी नहीं बाहर जाती है. आईपीएल में अंदर ही आती
oh yeah, Virat आगे बढ़ लेगा, तो टेंशन मत ले. I trust in Siraj bhai. Okay, so that is one. I am looking forward to Ishan Kishan. I think he will unleash. He has a point to prove. I think he's a great player. He made decent amount of runs, and I think there's no reason for him to be out of the team. So I'm looking forward to Ishan Kishan coming back with a bang, and he will break the door open if he's in a good headspace, and I hope he is. That's one. And my slowly and steadily one of my favorite cricketers is Rachin Ravindra. I would want to see him go aggro and crazy.
Do you think CSK is choosing him or Conway? Because either one of them can play.
Rachin will come, not Conway. Conway slowly and steadily, his feet movement are becoming a little bit. He's a little bit on the backside, is what I feel. At least of the last recent innings that I've seen. So I think Rachin is coming for sure. And this time I'm very, very excited to see him on how he performs. So these are the two things.
Given CSK's love for Budhapa, I don't agree with it.
And getting the best out of the Budhapa.
Yeah, man,
That-
that's magic, boss. That's insane.
So, okay, that's Rohan.
यार actually the buy I'm looking forward to is Ashwin playing for CSK again. I think
Nostalgia 101.
that is comeback. So I think seeing Ashwin in yellow will be big. And not a buy I'm looking out for, but I think it will be very interesting to see how Hardik does, man. Captaincy wise, I think big year, very big year for him.
True.
So I think it will also define if he has a leadership role in the Indian team moving forward. I think otherwise it will move to Sky, Bumrah, whoever's available. Not Bumrah, I think, for the shorter format, but maybe Sky. So let's see.
Okay.
Because
Chaudhary?
there are a few captains in that team, so I think sort hoega.
अब तो हो गया
यार पहली बात तो लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड तो मेरा पता नहीं अगर होगा नहीं होगा, बिकॉज यहाँ पे मैच दोपहर में स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं, तो आई डोंट थिंक मैं देख पाऊंगा. बट
we'll keep you posted,
yeah,
Chaudhary.
You
That's
do
okay.
you do looking back at the IPL.
एग्जैक्टली आई डू हाइलाइट्स. दो तीन चीजें हैं. सुदीप राइटली सेड ईशान. आई थिंक ईशान किशन is someone to look forward to. I am looking forward to a few new fast bowling combinations this time around. I think Mumbai
Swing.
Bumrah bowled plus Chair. I think Chair Mumbai will suit him.
They've
If he
already,
opens the bowling.
started calling it BBC.
So, oh, nice. So that's one. Shami Cummins is going to be a good combination.
Yeah.
I also want Bhuvi.
add a Harshal Patel to it.
Yeah, you and I
Okay,
don't see him in the same level.
don't add. खाना
उसको
खराब हो
स्लो
गया.
बॉल से
Sorry.
कोई मतलब नहीं है.
Sorry. Okay, cool.
बे फास्ट लो तेज जा.
उसको नहीं अच्छा लगता.
Not slow fast.
Yeah.
Yeah. Or not fast spinner also. But yeah. Bhuvi Hazelwood I think is going to be a good combination. So fast bowling combinations are good. And thirdly, given what happened at LSG last year, I want to see how Pant pans out at if he's going to captain. Will he captain? He will be captain, right?
Yeah.
He will be captain, but unfortunately, seeing the squad, I don't think the man still has got a good squad.
But I don't want to see how that pans out, man.
पिछली बार
But
दिल्ली
yeah.
का अच्छी टीम थी.
Actually, he had a better team last season around.
Bro, but भुवी और हेजलवुड नहीं चल सकते ब्रो स्टेडियम में. बहुत चक्के पिटेंगे दोनों. बहुत.
Bro, ऐसे भी आरसीबी आधे मैचेस में ही अच्छा खेलती है. तो
भाई नहीं मेरे को आई वाज लुकिंग एट टीम्स टुडे एंड आई वाज लाइक कि यार चेन्नई इज लाइक दैट बनिए की दुकान ना, जहाँ पे मतलब लगता है कि खराब सी चल रही है, कुछ नहीं चल रहा, काम नहीं चल रहा, पर पीछे मर्सिडीज पड़ी होती है. और आरसीबी इज लाइक यार पंजाबी बिजनेसमैन जिसका मर्सिडीज है बट उधार की है, पता ही नहीं कैसे चली.
पर इस बार मर्सिडीज नहीं है ना भाई, वही तो इंटरेस्टिंग चीज है.
पुरानी मर्सिडीज तो पड़ी है एक.
पुरानी एक मर्सिडीज बहुत ऊपर है यार. पहले बार होगा जो आरसीबी का सेकंड हाईएस्ट पेड प्लेयर हेजलवुड है, जिसको 12 करोड़ मिलने वाले हैं. नॉर्मली उनका 3 प्लेयर होता है जिनको 20 करोड़ मिलते हैं. बाकी पैसे बाकियों में बांट दिए जाते हैं. बट दैट्स हाउ इट इज. एनीवन एल्स चौधरी in your list?
That's it. I think Rahul Sudeep has touched upon Rahul already. जो हमारी prediction है कि he is going to do well. But yeah, I think
हमारी prediction
I had Jake Fraser McGurk that I'm genuinely looking forward to. I think it's going to be a real test, but the man has had a horrible 1 year since the last IPL. Hasn't done well, been dropped out, all of those things. So, but genuinely looking forward for him to sort of come back to his form. You guys are talking about Ishan Kishan, Abhishek Sharma to have a breakout season. I'm genuinely hoping Sai Sudarshan finally makes his place.
Yeah.
That
I
cricketer
admit it.
deserves to be sort of being part of.
Yeah.
यार नहीं, बट वो और अभी कितना स्पेस बनाएगा, कर तो चुका है, उसको पिक नहीं करते वो इंडियन स्क्वाड में.
यार बट वही है ना कि कुछ ऐसा धमाल कर दे कि मैं 650 रन मार रहा हूँ कि ऑप्शन ही नहीं दे रहा मैं.
यार आई थिंक उसके लिए उसको टैटू करवाने पड़ेंगे. दैट इज द ओनली थिंग. बाकी सब तो कर चुका है वो.
I'm also looking forward to Raseek Dhar. Unfortunately, not the right team. He's going to be playing for RCB, but a cricketer that I genuinely feel has value.
मर्सिडीज में घूम तो लेगा.
And last but not the least, everyone is looking forward to SRH batting lineup. क्या lineup मतलब पागल बना के रखा है क्या? Travis Head, Abhishek Sharma, Ishan Kishan, Nitesh Kumar Reddy, Henrik Klassen is first five. खत्म.
Wow.
छोड़ दो. On that note, guys, we'll be back with the next episode. Over and out for this.
And have a great week. Bye.